Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase sales with Visa, complete guide step by step clearly. First, understand your target audience and their payment preferences. Research the demographic that is most likely to use Visa. Next, ensure that your business is equipped to accept Visa payments. Set up a merchant account with Visa or a payment processor that supports Visa transactions. Make sure your point of sale system is compatible with Visa. Emphasize the benefits of using Visa in your marketing materials. Highlight security features that protect customers when they use Visa. Consider offering promotions or discounts for customers who pay with Visa. Create loyalty programs that reward customers for using Visa consistently. Utilize Visa's marketing resources and co-op advertising opportunities. Collaborate with Visa to participate in events that promote your business. Optimize your online presence to ensure a smooth checkout experience. Ensure your website is mobile-friendly, as many customers shop via smartphones. Implement a user-friendly interface for online transactions. Train your staff on the benefits of Visa and how to promote it effectively. Encourage customer feedback to understand their Visa payment experience. Use this feedback to improve service and address any concerns promptly. Analyze your sales data to see how Visa impacts your overall revenue. Adjust your strategies based on the data to maximize Visa sales. Continue to educate yourself on Visa's latest offerings and technologies. Keep your customers informed about any new Visa promotions or features. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to increasing sales with Visa. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.